How to understand germline gene therapy without jargon. Imagine being able to fix a genetic problem not just for one person but for everyone in their family line. That's what germline gene therapy is all about. It's a way scientists can change the genes in reproductive cells like sperm or eggs, or in very early embryos. When they do this, the changes can be passed down to future children and grandchildren. Unlike other gene therapies that only help the person being treated, this one affects the whole family tree. The main goal of germline gene therapy is to stop inherited diseases before they even start. For example, if a parent carries a gene that causes a serious illness, scientists can use this therapy to correct that gene in the embryo. This means the child would not inherit the disease, and their children would be free from it too. To do this, scientists use tiny tools called vectors, which are often harmless viruses. These vectors carry healthy genes into the reproductive cells or early embryos. Once inside, they replace or repair faulty genes, making the embryo healthier. This process often happens during in vitro fertilization, which is when eggs and sperm are combined in a lab. Scientists can then edit the genes in the embryo before it is implanted into the mother's womb. If everything goes well, every cell in the baby's body will have the corrected gene. This way, the child is born without the inherited disease. It's important to know that germline gene therapy is different from somatic gene therapy. The latter only changes genes in non-reproductive cells, affecting only the individual. Germline therapy changes the genes in reproductive cells, so the effects are passed down through generations. From an ethical point of view, germline gene therapy raises many questions. One big concern is about respecting future generations. Since the changes are permanent and heritable, we can't ask the unborn children if they want these changes. There's also worry about fairness. Not everyone might have access to this technology, which could make health inequalities worse. Another ethical debate is about which traits should be changed. Most agree that fixing serious diseases is okay, but using this technology to change traits like intelligence or appearance is controversial. This touches on the principles of avoiding harm and treating everyone fairly. Today, germline gene therapy isn't widely used because of these ethical concerns and because the science is still developing. But it has the potential to prevent many inherited diseases and could change how we think about health and reproduction in the future.